Welcome back, students. Now we are going to start from page number 26. Diseases. A disease is a condition in which the body or a part of the body does not function properly and is not in a healthy condition. When the body is not healthy or you're feeling weak, it means that you have some disease. Diseases are of two types: non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Communicable diseases that spread from one sick person to a healthy person, whereas non-communicable diseases are the diseases that do not spread from sick person to a healthy person. So today we are going to start from non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases can be caused due to malfunctioning of a body part, like if some part of the body is not working, like heart disease or arthritis in which heart is not working or any other part of the body is not working. Presence of harmful chemicals in the air like asthma and bronchitis. Next, malnutrition. It happens due to insufficient amount of proteins and carbohydrates in the diet of children. If they are not getting sufficient amount of proteins and carbohydrates, they will become suffering from malnutrition. And malnutrition has symptoms like very thin arms and legs, a swollen belly, patchy skin, reddish hair color and general weakness. This condition can be overcome by giving the child a diet rich in proteins and carbohydrates. If you start giving lots of proteins and carbohydrates, a child can come out of this malnutrition disease. Then lack of essential vitamins and minerals in the diet, they result in deficiency diseases. If we have less amount of vitamins and minerals, it can lead to deficiency diseases in our body. There's a table given on the next page which will show you the disease, then its causes and what are its symptoms and how we can come out of this disease. Let's see that table. First deficiency is of vitamin A. Deficiency disease can cause night blindness. Person cannot see clearly in dim light, that is night blindness. It can be prevented by eating papaya, carrot, milk, egg yolk, green leafy vegetables, etc., which are rich in vitamin A. Then vitamin B. Beriberi, a disease caused because of vitamin B, weak nervous system and loss of appetite. It can be overcome by having lots of milk, cereal, peas, unpolished rice, etc. Then vitamin C, the disease caused is called scurvy, in which swelling and bleeding of gums occur. That can be overcome by having lots of lemon, tomato, amla and orange. Then vitamin D, rickets is the name of the disease, and it is when the legs become bow shaped and bones become very weak. You can have it, overcome it by having milk, liver, fish, egg. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, so you should have lots of sunlight also. Then iodine, because of that you can have Vitra, swelling in the neck region. That can be overcome by having iodized salt, meat and egg. Then iron. Lack of iron in the body causes anemia, which means that skin color is pale, dark circles under the eye and general feeling of tiredness. It can be overcome by having raisins, meat, spinach, apple, guava and brinjal. So students, you have to read this table and learn it also for doing the exercises. Diseases related to food habits and lifestyle. How do you live? How is your lifestyle? That also causes some of the diseases in our body. Lifestyle diseases are defined as diseases linked to the way people live their life. Some examples are smoking, overuse of alcohol, poor diet and lack of physical exercise. If we are having all these type of lifestyle habits in our life, then we might have the diseases which are called lifestyle diseases. Given below are some examples of lifestyle related diseases. First one is obesity. This is caused due to unhealthy eating habits, not eating healthy food. Unhealthy means when you are eating lots of junk food, including inclusion of lots of junk food in your diet will lead you to obesity problem. Excessive eating during meals. Whatever you require, if you are eating more than that, that is excessive eating during the meals. And reduced physical exercise. Only playing games on the mobile phones or playstations and not going out and playing with your friends, that causes obesity, because you are eating and only sitting and playing or studying. That will cause obesity in the children. So students, you have to have healthy food and should include physical exercise in your daily life to get rid of this obesity problem. Next is high blood pressure. Due to little physical activity, diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, high cholesterol can occur. Again, physical activity is required. Then stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety does not just affect us mentally but has clear physical effects which increase the risk of diabetes, cardiac diseases, etc. This generally comes in your parents or your grandparents, this type of diseases. Next is smoking. Smoking results in respiratory disorders like bronchitis, asthma, lung cancer and oral cancer. So if you are even living nearby some person who is smoking, you can also get that type of disease. So try to stay away from the persons who are smoking. Next, prevention of lifestyle and food habit related diseases. How we can overcome this type of diseases? Lifestyle and food habits related diseases can be prevented by exercising, avoiding fried food, getting periodic medical checkup, avoid smoking and getting adequate sleep. This all will help you to get rid of lifestyle diseases. So students, that is it. Read through this chapter, then we will be doing the exercises.